This week on Best of
Poutine. We're at Fritz right now on Davie near Granville, and we're trying their poutine with Montreal smoked meat, and they have a ton of dipping sauces here. We got the chipotle mayo. Meat's pretty good.
is good.
This is a small, and it's packed. All in all, under $10. It's not overly salty, which is great. Yeah, the cheese curds are all concentrated in the middle. If this dropped right here, would you eat it?
Of course not.
Second question of the day. How do you dip your fries? Ketchup? Ketchup and mayo? Combined? Fritz on Davie. What are your thoughts on it?
Fritz was good. I think that it's probably best for like a late night poutine. It's right on Davie and Granville, so around that area. If you're out, not enough cheese curds.
Yeah, there wasn't enough cheese curds. Like, if you're going for a poutine, you want the cheese. But
Yeah.
gravy in itself is great. It wasn't overly salty. There's some places where they do poutine and it's just all bunch of sodium in their gravy. So, and their Montreal smoked meat was great. If you like sauces, they have tons of sauces. Like, that list is from one page to the other. So make sure you check those out. I think it's only for $1.
Yeah.
And you get a little container of it.
They had a ton of options for different meats and styles. And
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
pulled pork if you like it, and there's different sizes as well. So, okay. I think we're not poutined out yet, so we're gonna check out the next place. We're at Edible Canada right now on Granville Island, and this is their duck poutine.
you don't even think of ketchup or mayo while eating this poutine. Doesn't need it. So good.
I have to agree. The gravy is not overly salty or anything like that. It's just the right balance and pretty good. So we just finished at Edible Canada and it was good. It wasn't bad. Heavy. I think if you like your poutine super soggy near the end of it, then definitely it's a great spot. What'd you?
I really liked Edible Canada. I thought the portion size was massive for what you are paying for. I think it was $15.
Yeah, $15.
And it could be a meal for two.
Yeah, it's regularly $22 if it's not on happy hour.
That's why.
So it's $7 off for happy hour between the hours of 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. Monday to Sunday, which is great.
They had a sangria that was amazing too, and the whole vibe is great. And in the middle of Granville Island, you can't go wrong.
Yeah, for sure. All right, one more place to go. So never would I thought would be having a poutine for breakfast, but stopped by Costco this morning and I figured why not give it a try? Under $5 and it looked like it was really hot, so here we go. There's a lot of cheese in here. Fries is almost like the KFC type of fries. Extra crispy on the outside.
I think in this week's episode for us, we're not poutine connoisseurs. We never will be. Costco does the trick.
Yeah.
It's just good because it's like half cheese.
Yeah, they don't cheap out on the cheese at all. But if you do bring it home, it gets on the soggy end by the time you get home, and we don't live that far from Costco. So most other places do it like the fish and chip style fries, but it's definitely different here at Costco.
This week on Best Of, for me, it's Fritz. The sauces that they have, the way that they freshly fry their potatoes, there's nothing like it. And also because it's on the Granville Strip, it's easy to just go there after a night of drinking and partying and picking yourself a nice bowl of poutine. What about yours?
I think when it comes to poutine, I could go anywhere.
Yeah.
I definitely give a shout out to Costco for putting the most cheese.
Well, and also a huge props to Edible Canada for having some awesome Caesars and cocktails. Fritz is the place to be. Thank you for watching this week's episode. It was tough for us to plow through all those poutines. I'm glad you guys suggested that we do poutines this week. And we're taking a week off next week. So come back in 2 weeks and we'll have something new on Best Of. We'll see you in 2 weeks.